Hello friends, welcome to Abednego Online Math. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook page. Today we are looking at introduction to binomial. Binomial is a mathematical expression that is always associated with subtraction, multiplication, and addition. For example, if I write something like this, 2x, 2 and x is linked by subtraction. If I put 2x minus 1, is linked by multiplication, then minus 1 is linked by 2x minus 1 is linked by subtraction. I can have 2x squared plus 1. This is 2x linked by multiplication, then followed by what? Addition, because 2 times x is what gives me 2x squared. So in polynomial, we are trying to say that polynomial is an expression, a mathematical or algebraic expression that is either linked by either addition, subtraction, and multiplication, not division. If you have x divided by 5, this is not a polynomial. This one is not a polynomial. That is what you need to know. If you have square root of y or square root of x, this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. So a polynomial is linked by those things I've said, but not division. Division is not included. The next thing I will be looking at is called the terms in a polynomial or associated with polynomial. A polynomial with only one term is called a monomial. A monomial. One term is a monomial. Example, I can have 6xy, a, b, c. All these are monomials. But a polynomial with two terms like 2x squared plus 5 is called a binomial. A binomial. If I have something like xy squared plus x, this is also a binomial. A polynomial that has three terms is called a trinomial. I can have ax squared plus bx plus c, first term, second term, third term. I can have mx plus c plus cx plus d. This is first term, second, third. This is a trinomial. So these are the things you need to know about a polynomial. But there is no unique name given to a polynomial that has more than three terms. So a unique name is only associated with a polynomial with one term, which is a monomial, a polynomial with two terms, which is binomial, and a polynomial with three terms, which is called trinomial. These are the things you need to know. Please replay this video over and again and take down some important notes. The next thing I need to discuss is called the degree of a polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is the highest power of a polynomial. Like now, if you have 2x, the highest power of x, this is the same as 2 raised to power 1. 2x raised to power 1. The highest power of x here is 1. So, we say that the degree of this polynomial is 1. If you have 9x plus 2, the highest power of x is 1. The degree of this polynomial is 1. If I have 64 or 6x squared plus x, the highest power of x here is 2. So this polynomial, the degree is degree 2. So we have polynomial in degree 4, degree 5, degree 6, degree 7, depending on the powers. Now, if I have something like this, 6x squared y plus z raised to power 10. Now, you discover that there are different unknowns in this polynomial. This polynomial is a binomial because 1, it has two terms, 1 and 2. Secondly, the next thing, if I ask you to find the degree of what is the degree of this polynomial, the highest power is 10. So the degree of this polynomial is 10. That is the things you need to know. Okay, we move to example. The example says, classify the polynomial as binomial, monomial or trinomial. Let's look at the first one. Let's look at this. This polynomial now is 3x raised to power 3 minus 5x squared plus 6. That's what we have. Now we are asked to classify, is this polynomial a binomial? How many terms does it have? 1, 2, 3. So this polynomial is a trinomial. The next thing is the degree of the polynomial. This polynomial is of degree 3. The highest power of the unknown here is 3. So that's why the polynomial is of degree 3. Then the next thing you need to know is, next question says the coefficient. The coefficient of the degree, that degree. So the coefficient of the degree is the degree and the coefficient. The coefficient of the leading degree is 3. A number in front of a letter. If I write 100x, the coefficient of x is 100. If I write 500x, the coefficient of x is 500. We play this video again. Take down important notes for you, for your own good. Now, that is what you need to know. Okay, let me answer this. You do this as classwork. Numbers, the C part. What is this polynomial now? The degree of this polynomial is a monomial because it has 2 terms, 1 and 2. That is what you need to know. The next thing is, we are asked to find the degree. The degree of this polynomial is 6 because the highest power of the unknown here is what? 6. Then the next thing is, we are asked to the coefficient. The coefficient of the leading degree is what? 8. That is the answer. Please, technical questions like this will come in exam. Please, you have to take note on these things that I'm explaining. You play this video, share these videos with your friends. Then the next one is, we move to this other one now. This polynomial is a monomial because one, it has only one term. Then the next one is the degree is 2 because the highest power is what? 2. Then this one is a zero polynomial. It has no degree. It has no leading coefficient. So that is what this polynomial is called. This number D. Please, thank you. Watch the video over and over again. We are going to proceed and solve more questions on polynomials. This is introduction to polynomials that you need to know. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. God bless you.